In a bid to push for reconciliation, the suspended governor of Rivers State, similarly Fubara, met with the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Wike. NaijaNews reliably gathered at the meeting held at Wike's residence in Abuja, where Fubara was led by Governor Abiodun of Ogun State, Ebonyi State Governor Francis Nwifuru, and Olusegun Osoba, the former governor of Ogun State. On getting to the residence, Fubara walked straight into Wike's living room because that's a familiar terrain, and he begged the minister, when sought confirmation from an insider who wished to be anonymous. He said, "There was a meeting and I can confirm that." On the meeting leading to the end of the state of emergency, he added, "That I can't confirm, but all I know is that there was a meeting." This is coming after the meeting between Fubara and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in London. Fubara and Wike fell out shortly after the former became governor in 2023, in an attempt to prevent the crisis from snowballing into a full security challenge, following threats by Niger Delta militants to attack oil installations in the state. Tinubu had declared a state of emergency in Rivers State. The president also suspended Fubara, his deputy, and all members of the state assembly for 6 months, while appointing a sole administrator to preside over the affairs of the state. Speaking on the emergency rule declared by the president, Wike had said he wanted Fubara outrightly removed from office, but Tinubu's intervention saved the suspended governor. While this has sparked heated debate online, please share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.